Listen up, guys. This is so exciting. This is the first time I have been able to offer both of these things for free. So I'm very excited. You have the chance to win a Bellicon rebounder, plus join our hamstring challenge for free this year. So how does this work? First off, the hamstring challenge. Now, don't be intimidated by the word challenge because I know some of us join programs and a challenge is a big deal and it's like 30 minutes a day and it's too much. This is just 5 to 7 minutes a day. We send a video to you to work with Fascia FLO, and we're working with the hamstrings because that's the area of the body that tends to get the most dense fascia. When we start cleaning things up in the backs of the legs, we get a big noticeable difference. We start to improve our posture. We start removing pain and stiffness in the hips, the knees, the ankles, the shoulders. Everything starts to feel real groovy in the body again. So don't be intimidated. It's just 5 to 7 minutes, and everyone gets to join free for the first 2 weeks this year. When you join the challenge and you complete and give us feedback every day, so simple. We have a platform to do it. It's going to be easy. You have the chance to win a Bellicon. Now, you also want to go over to Bellicon and like and follow because that is an entry requirement, and also like, follow on my account, okay? And then we'll get you started with the hamstring challenge, and then you'll be able to bounce. So great, because another exciting thing is when we change the fascia in the hamstrings, we actually find it more comfortable, easier to bounce on the Bellicon. So let's get started. If you want the details and you want to sign up, comment FLO, FLO, and we'll get you in.